Welcome folks, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Harvey Turbo T-40. Lots of videos out there on how this tool performs and operates and all the nice sweet features it has, but I could not find a unboxing video anywhere. So with that out of the way, here's what I think I'm going to need to undo it. So let's just get into it. First of all, look the way this thing's wrapped. It is wrapped primo, man. Good job, professionally done. So let's get the wrapping off, and from there we'll go. So since it is plywood, I'm just going to wrap it straight up here. Here we go. Oh wow, see, we got some metal end pieces here to really make it nice and stout. Very impressed. All right. And it is wrapped extremely well. All right, let's get this all off here. And let's see what it's going to take. Whoa! To get this thing, just looking at it. My friend David's over there filming. He's having a hard time keeping up with me. So let's see where we start. I think what I'll do is from there, wow. Oh, I see. Here we go. I've never opened one of these before, but it looks like if I had gone in here, so I thought. There we go. All right, so just got too much to hurry, I guess. And this is still not the best way to do it. You might as well cut the video off. This is not gonna work. This is a whole lot more complicated. So no one's doing any boxing videos. Are you still recording?
I am.
Well, keep recording. I can always
Right, you can always edit.
take some of it out. Now people are really interested, like, what in the world is in that thing that is packed that well? Well, what's in there is a Harvey lathe Turbo T-40 with a servo motor. And it's got some really nice features. At this point,
And then I think what you need to do
what you suggest?
is knock these tabs straight up.
All the way up.
I think that's the way it's got to go.
There you go. Two heads are better than one.
Yeah.
Well, 1.5 heads is better than one. I got the half. I got the full, I think. I've never
And then what? Yeah.
seen anything quite
Yeah.
so well packed.
And that's the advantage of doing this video.
Yeah, this is what you're getting into. Don't think you're just going to open this up with a box cutter, and there you go. All right.
Yeah.
Look at that. All right, let's do some unveiling here. All right. All right, if you want to span around here, just take a quick video of what we're looking at. I'm thinking I'm going to keep this box just the way it is. Not that I hope I ever have to use it, but let's see. So here's the lathe. Get the plastic out of the way so you can really take a look at it. Nice. Nice. Spindle's protected. Everything's well protected. The bed's protected. And there's this little box here. I've seen people showing this online. Let me open it up so you can look at it. All right. Set it right here. It's upside down. Here we go. Let's move it to the table over here so we don't drop it. Well, still got it upside down, but that's okay. Now we can see what we have. And there goes your sweet tea, my friend. All right. By the way, we're doing this live and we're not editing anything out. Faceplate, 3-inch faceplate. Live center, look at that. Woo. Heavy duty live center. That is amazing. And all the other stuff that comes with it. So let's get back to the tool. Well, at this point, I think that's probably all we can do for the unboxing. We got to figure out how to get it out of here, get it on that table. I'll do a follow-up video to let you know my expectations right now are very high. And it looks to be a primo tool and excited to use it. Thanks for watching.